I was driving to pick up a load. I was actually on 610 going east, and there was traffic in front of me, so I had to come to a full stop. Right when I about to start moving, I just feel something hit me from the back. It wasn't my fault, but I guess they came back and they tried to look for defaults on my truck, like my brake lights weren't working, was there really traffic in front of me? So they were looking for every excuse why the car hit me. Actually, on the ambulance, I got really a back cramp on my back on the way to the ambulance. So they literally had to rip my shirt off and put me on the side. It was a scary situation, even though I was on a semi truck. A lot of people like, oh, you didn't even know. Yeah, I got hit 70, 65, 70 miles an hour. I was at a standstill stop, and that truck just ran into me. I knew I had to pay for a doctor bill, and I didn't, the medical, the ambulance, I knew I was gonna have to pay for all that after, getting out of the hospital. I'm like, so I know this is coming, and I don't think I should be responsible to pay for this because it wasn't my fault. When I spoke to him, it was like speaking to a friend. It's not about the money. It's about getting the help that I need. It's not about just going to court, collect something. No, he guided me. He, sent me to the right doctors. I call him if I have a question. He picks up. Even though I try not to bother him, but every time when I text him, he replies. And if I call him, he picks up or return my call. Actually, I have recommended Joe already to friends. He actually had work in friends of friends cases. I recommend him. I mean, he helped me, and believe me, if I didn't like what he did for me, I wouldn't recommend him. I wouldn't be here today.